Well, hello. We've just checked into the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. First time we've stayed here. It's quite late. It's, what's the time? Nearly 10 o'clock. We've been traveling all day, but we're gonna have a quick room tour. Hello. There's another Melissa in the room. Before we start, what room size was this?
Burgundy.
A burgundy room, okay.
Baby fair.
Yeah. So let's go back and take a look at the bathroom first. There's no coffee machine, I've noticed. Refrigerator, which has been left open for some reason. Safe. And the condition of the cupboards isn't that bad, is it? So that's a quick look around the room. It's nearly 11 o'clock and we're a bit tired. So tomorrow we'll have a look around the hotel itself. So see you tomorrow. What a sunny morning. And that is the reception drive-up area. We'll find it right next to the Arc de Triomphe. This is breakfast time. What do you think of the pool area?
Quite quiet actually, it's quite nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not no things for kids or anything, which
What
is
date
good.
is it? 3rd of March, isn't it? And it's pretty warm,
Yeah.
as you can tell by people in the pool.
Quite a simple pool. There's no slides or anything, but it's good for that, I think.
Well, yeah. The only problem we've had with the room is the phone and the messaging. For the last 2 days, we've had somebody from Gordon Ramsay's restaurant downstairs ring us up or leave a message to say, come down for breakfast tomorrow. So, unless Gordon's down there waiting for us, I don't think we'll bother. So, I've just lost $20 in about 5 minutes. So I need to calm down and have a drink and some food. And tonight we're going to be eating at Mon Ami Gabi. The patio's got really good views over to the Bellagio fountains. But unfortunately, it's March. It's warm in the day, but it's a bit cold at night, so we'll probably be inside. Anyway, let's go. the staff are very helpful. We can't film because people are around and it's quite dark. Anyway, it looks good and we'll let you know afterwards, okay? Anyway, cheers. Good?
Yeah, it looks nice.
So that was our little review of the Paris Hotel in Las Vegas. Yeah, definitely recommend it if you're on a budget. Obviously the big ones like Bellagio and Caesar's Palace are much nicer, but this was really cheap. I think we were actually paying the resort fee was more than the actual price of the room. The only criticism was the drink service. While you were playing the machines and losing quite a bit of money, they were quite slow coming round with drinks. Anyway, that's it. Until next time, bye.